everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. I'm back with another video on how to download CapCut application on your PC. If you'd like to make your video edits quickly and easily with the help of the application CapCut, and you would want to do it on your PC, then keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to download the CapCut application on your PC, the first thing you'll need to have is an Android emulator. The Android emulator stimulates Android devices on your computer so that you can test your application on a variety of devices and Android API levels. There are varieties of Android emulator available throughout the internet. You can download any Android emulator of your choice. In my case, I've downloaded BlueStacks 5 Android emulator. Once you have the emulator, click it open. It might take a while in order to start BlueStacks Android emulator, so you'll need to wait for some time until it loads. Once you open up your BlueStacks, you'll need to go to the Play Store option and click it on. You might need to log in with your Google credential to reach this page. Now, once you're logged in, you can simply go ahead and in the search box at the top, type in CapCut and make your search. Soon after you find the video editor app in the search result, click on the install button right next to the application to begin the download process. Wait until the download and installation is completed. Soon after the application installs, you'll be able to open the application by clicking on this open button, and you'll be able to download CapCut application for your PC. Click on accept and continue making your edits. If you'd like to open up CapCut application, then you'll need to look into the BlueStacks app installed list. All of the list of the application that you've installed using the BlueStacks will be displayed over here on the screen. Remember that you won't be able to find the application outside your Android emulator. You'll need to open up your BlueStacks in order to operate or open up the application. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.